Dear students, now we can see the term valency. What is valency? It is the number of electron in the outermost shell or number of electron shared to form a molecule is called valency. The valence number. In the case of magnesium, the atomic number of magnesium is 12, that is 2,8,2. This last 2 electron, this is the valence number or valency. In the case of chlorine, the valency is 1 because 287. 17 is the atomic number of chlorine. And for sodium, it is 1. Like that it is going. So, valency is the number of electrons required to get the stability or in the outermost shell electron. That is called the valence electron. By knowing the valence electron, we can write the chemical formula. By the symbols, we can write the chemical formula. What is chemical formula? It is the symbols joined together and writing in the way so that we can understood that how many atoms are there in that molecule. Let us see an example of magnesium chloride. In the case of magnesium, Mg, the valency is 2. So it has to donate 2 electron to any other atom to get stability. Chlorine is ready to accept that electron. So 1 electron is shared by chlorine. 1 more electron has to be shared. So here, this one. So the formula of this combination is MgCl2. Okay. Let us take another example of aluminum oxide. Okay. In the case of aluminum, the valency is 3 because the atomic number is 13, that is 2,8,3, valency is 3. And for oxygen, it is 2,6. 2 more electron has to be getted here to reach the stability. So here the valency is 2 and valency is 3. So while writing the formula, we can just write the valency about to the symbol Al3O2. So the correct way of writing the formula is interchanging the valencies. Okay. How it is writing, you see. Al2O3 as a base, we can write this one. Usually the left side element is electropositive or less electronegative. The right side is always more electronegative. That is the way of writing chemical formula. So it is Al2O3. And what about carbon dioxide? Let us see. The valency of carbon is 4. See, 4 is the valency. And for oxygen, it is 2. So we can write C4O2. By interchanging the valencies, we will get C2O4. There is a common factor here, 2, and we can divide both the thing by 2. That is C2 by 2, O4 by 2. That is 1 and 2. C1O2, or it is called as CO2. Okay, in this manner we can write the formula or develop a chemical formula by knowing the valency. ഇപ്പോൾ കുട്ടികളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിലുണ്ട് ഇതുപോലത്തേത്, ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തു നോക്കുക, ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക. നമ്മുടെ സെക്കൻഡ് ചാപ്റ്റർ ഇവിടെ ഫിനിഷ് ആവുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ നെയിം ഓഫ് ദ എലിമെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് valencies are given and also the chemical formula formed by these elements are also given. Try to fill up the blanks. Here elements and valencies are given. Try to form 4 compounds using these elements and valencies.